Hey guys, today I'm going to do a spotlight feature on one of my favorite properties we have for rent right now. 308 North 9th. It's right in the middle of Pocatello, which means that everything is nearby. ISU is only a few blocks from here. You've got coffee shops, grocery shopping, anything you need right near here. Also, this place was recently renovated, so it's got fresh LVP flooring, brand new paint, brand new fixtures, everything. So keep watching and see what we've done with the place.
Up the sidewalk to the front door. Right into the nice, big, beautiful living room. Look at those bright windows. There's that LVP flooring we were talking about. Nice high ceilings. Into the first bedroom. Nice big closet. Again, beautiful LVP. Big bright window. Extra space here around the corner. This is a big room, you guys. Into the next bedroom. Same LVP flooring. Same big, beautiful window. Again, nice high ceilings. And over to the first bathroom. Updated fixtures. Updated vanity lighting. And check out all the storage in this shower. I don't know who has enough storage for all their stuff in their shower, but it ain't me. Now guys, into the kitchen. You got your stove, your refrigerator, double sinks, updated fixtures, and your dishwasher. Here's your dining area, plenty of outlets, washer dryer hookups, nice and convenient. Here we go, the star of the show, the master bedroom. Nice big closet, big bright window, and even higher ceilings than the rest of the house. Check out that vault. Same updated LVP flooring, ensuite. You've got everything you need in here. Updated fixtures, vanity lighting, a fan for ventilation, nice big tall shower, and that same beautiful LVP flooring. And into the garage. Beautiful one-car garage, right off the street, automatic door. Top it off, this place has a beautiful fenced yard.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let us know if this rental works for you.